Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you a couple little skincare kits that Ulta had put on sale for the 21 days of beauty, or not 21 days of beauty, the 21 days of skincare event that they had, and that just finished yesterday. And these were originally on sale for $50. They went down to $30 really quick and then went on sale for $15. And once they went on sale for $15, I grabbed both of them, and because they're actually really good, I just wasn't willing to pay $30 for them. So yeah, we're gonna go through them. And the thing about Ulta, when Ulta realizes something is not selling at a certain price, they will knock that price down like this, especially if it's their kind of thing that they're doing. Yeah, unlike Sephora that still has stuff on sale that I looked at nearly 3 years ago for the same price, same sale price. Are you kidding me? The reason why you're not getting rid of stock is you're not lowering that price. So anyway, in this one's called The Ingredients That Matter. Okay. And first off, you do get a $5 off your next purchase of any prestige skincare brands that are included in this box. And actually on the back it says just these ones, because these actually differ a little bit. So it has to be these specific brands. And $25 or more, and valid in store through April 16th. I was actually able to use this code online, so you can use it online. It says on the back. I already used this one because the second to last day of this skincare event, they had my Holy Grail toner that I had been out of because I was using something else, so it wasn't a necessity to buy it. But I have noticed a slight difference, and even though the current toner is not horrible or bad per se, or it's just not as good as the one I was using. So I was able to use that and buy a little something else for the $25 to go into effect and get it taken off my entire order. So this worked out great. But anyway, that was the Mario Badescu glycolic acid. We now sell for half off. So first thing I'm going to pull out of here is from First Aid Beauty. This is an ultra repair cream for intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin, and this is the pink grapefruit, and it's 1 ounce. I believe this retails for like $10, maybe 12. I think 12 actually, because the little jars are like 1 ounce or $12. So yeah, I think this is $12 by itself. You can get it in a kit a lot of times for the size or something. I love this stuff. For my décolletage and neck area, that's what I usually do for at night. Some people swear it's great for their face and they love it on their face. I did try it on my face. I'm sorry, I tried the smallest amount on my face, like at night or something. It felt a little heavy on me, or heavier than I like, because I don't have super dry skin, so it was just a little heavy for me. I don't even have dry skin. I felt a little cloggy on my pores, but some people swear by it and don't have a problem with it, and it didn't necessarily cause clogged pores on me. It just felt, you know, kind of heavy. So I don't like it for that, but I love it everywhere else. So this is super great to get in this kit. Next, from Peter Thomas Roth, and I only have like a cleanser from them. I haven't tried a mask from them. This is the Cucumber Gel Mask Extreme Detoxifying Hydrator. Refreshing, cooling, moisturizing, calming gel helps soothe dry, irritated skin with extracts of cucumber, papaya, and pineapple. And you can actually use this like every day. So this is like really cool, and you just apply and let dry and then rinse off. It has sugarcane, orange, lemon, bilberry, and aloe. Cucumber, papaya, chamomile, pineapple. Okay. So this is really cool. That is totally up my alley. Next, what's really cool about this is a prestige skincare kit, like samples, like they're prestige. There's no drugstore, which is fine, you know, if you have a little drugstore in there. But this is actually prestige kit. So this is a Juice Beauty Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and this is 0.25 ounces or 7.5 milliliters. This was an ounce or 30 milliliters. So was the lotion. So this is just an eye cream. It has a little applicator in it, which is totally cool. You just rub and massage. And Juice Beauty, you know, is uber expensive. Their moisturizer is $72 like for an ounce or something. And so is their serum. Their serum's like $80, so they ain't cheap. And actually the cheapest brand in here is probably Mario Badescu, and they're not even that cheap. Case in point, this is the Mario Badescu Botanical Exfoliating Scrub. I want to say this is either $18 or $24. It's somewhere the full size. I have the full size. This is for smoother, more radiant skin. This is to banish dullness and reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion with our refreshing scrub. The finely ground seeds of the Ecuadorian ivory palm provide effective yet gentle exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and help prevent pore congestion. Antioxidant-rich ginger, ginkgo, and green tea extracts are blended with moisturizing coconut and aloe, leaving behind softer and younger-looking skin. You use it 2 to 3 times a week. I actually use this like once a week, like on Saturdays. But it's really cute. It is a ½ ounce. Next up is a Proactive Green Tea Moisturizer. This is the first time I've ever seen Proactive outside of like their own kits, like in a skincare kit. So go Ulta. This is 0.33 ounces or 10 milliliters. This is applied daily as needed to alleviate dryness. Can be worn alone or under makeup. So that's really, really cool. I may pass this along to my niece who is having acne issues. Next up is from Dr. Brandt, and this is a hydrobiotic covering sleeping mask, which I didn't even know they had a sleeping mask. I'm still kind of new to this what's all in their line. I really don't know. You know, we were introduced in BoxyCharm, and I've loved everything. My face has loved everything from Dr. Brandt. So, you know, there's that. This is a sleeping mask. Apply a mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly. I'm super, super excited. I like night masks. Next up is this little tiny tub from the Better Skin Company. Never really heard of them. This is the Better Skin Miracle Cream, and they spell miracle with a K. This is 0.25 ounces, and that's all it says. And it's like a hippie 60s, 70s kind of theme. They only fill it halfway, so... There's that. It doesn't have a smell to it. Next up is from Algenist. This is the Complete Eye Renewal Balm. Apply to eye area twice a day. And that's all it says. This is 7 milliliters or 0.23 ounces. And Algenist, you know, is an expensive brand as well. But this one, they filled all the way up to the top. And there's no scent to it. Next up, I've got a little tube of liquid from Exfoliants. This is the Probiotic Lysate Anti-Pollution Essence, and it says apply to clean skin, use before serums and moisturizers. So that's interesting. Especially, I don't know if you're really worried about pollution. Next is, and last, is this little bitty Clarins Paris Pore Control Serum. Pore Minimizing Serum, smooth skin texture for healthy radiance. 0.1 ounce, so 3 milliliters in this little thing. Try it on your pores. I guess I'll give it a go. Boxes are really nice and sturdy. They're not like cheap plastic. They're that hard, like smooth cardboard. So you could really reuse them for something. Like I might reuse them in this room to help me straighten up lipsticks and stuff. Next up is called All Your Favorites. And I love these kids. I think they did a really good job what they put in here. Go Ulta. This $5 coupon is still active. I decided to save this one because this one would be good on all that's in here, which includes Mario Badescu, Origins, Shiseido, Dr. Brandt, Murad, which are those brands. I love certain things in them. This is $5 off, $25 or more through April 6th. So I got a little code. First thing in here is from, okay, this is Skin Icing Hydro Cool Firming Gels. Helps firm and depuff within minutes. You know me, eye gels, I'm horrible about using them, but even if those are depuffing ones, I'm like, I don't have a puffiness problem. I have a sunken in zombie eye problem. Okay, next up, which is hiding behind those, this is from Exfoliants. These are Performance Peel. This is 25% professional level HA/PHA blend, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, and gluconolactone. Anti-age and anti-wrinkle benefits. This is, you cleanse face, you use the activator pad all over your face, avoiding your eyes and lips, then you monitor your skin to make sure it's not getting red. This is not good for sensitive skin. But this is with regular use twice a week. This peel has been shown to refine pore size and smooth texture, visibly diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve clarity and brightness, brighten an even skin tone, and provide an all-over healthy glow, suppleness, and smoothness too. So this one you rub all over your face. You monitor to make sure your skin's not freaking out and burning and tingling and reddening. Then you apply the neutralizer to the face, and after 10 minutes or sooner, apply it after you apply this, and then you rinse thoroughly with water, and then use a moisturizer. So those are interesting. They have very, very short ingredients for each of them, like what's actually in them. So I don't know if I'll be trying that out or let my mom try that out. I'm worried about freaking out my skin with it. But you never know. So first thing in here, next thing to pull out is from Kate Somerville. This is the Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer Serum, or Moisturizer and Serum. Use AM and PM. All skin types. This is 0.25 ounces. So is that. I might give that to my mom. Next up is from Dermalogical. This is the Skin Smoothing Cream powered by Active Hydro Fresh Mesh Technology. This is 0.24 ounces. Next generation moisturizer with Active Hydro Mesh Technology. Infuses skin with 48 hours of continuous hydration and helps protect against environmental stress. And used twice daily. That's interesting. I might give that away. Next up is from Origins, and this does look itty bitty. It's like smaller than we would typically see in a sample from them, but this is actually an eye cream, so it would be about normal size. And it's 5 milliliters or 0.17 ounces. This is Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. More interested in the brighten than the depuffing, but I like Origins. Haven't really had a reaction to them. Next up is from Clinique. This is the Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing. This is 0.24 ounces. This is slightly smaller than you would normally see, like in a Sephora play, I think, of this, if you got it in the Sephora play. But my skin used to love Clinique. It doesn't really care for it anymore, so I will be passing that along. Our next up in here is from Rad. This is the Nutrient Charged Water Gel, and massage evenly all over your face and neck. Follow with a Murad sunscreen during the day. So I'm actually kind of wondering what's in here. Certain things can make you burn. It just smells like clean ingredients. Not cleaning, just clean, and it's pink. I like that. So I'll probably give that a whirl. I've only tried a couple of Murad things. I've had mixed reactions. Like there was an eye thing. My eyes did not like it. It did something weird underneath my eyes. My eyes did not, so my eye skin did not react to it. I think it was like an eye cream. Their primer I love, but the primer is $65. Never on sale. But I say that now that I've used Dr. Brandt, and Dr. Brandt's even more expensive, but I've always gotten that on sale. So you never. That is, of course, my holy grail. This is the Mario Badescu glycolic acid toner, and it's 1 ounce of it. I love this stuff. My skin loves this stuff. I have just ordered 2 full sizes, so I'm not going to get into this. Plus, I'm trying to use up the rose one. I'm trying to be good. Okay, an exfoliating and rejuvenating toner that is soothing and effective for dull, dry skin. Great for extract and glycolic acid. Naturally break down the buildup of dead skin cells. Help reduce uneven skin tone and minor discolorations. Twice daily after cleansing. Apply with a cotton ball. It says not recommended for use on sensitive or acne erupted skin. That never bothers my skin. And you know, I have weird skin. But my skin loves this. And if the trip works out, I will be saving this for the trip. So yeah. Okay, next up is from Shiseido, and this is the Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. And that's all it says is 0.33 ounces or 10 milliliters. I love their packaging. They put the work in even the sample sizes. Shiseido is really expensive. I think this is at least $80 full size. And it just smells like clean ingredients. But I got something from them from TJ Mask, which is the first time I ever tried them, and it was an emulsion, a brightening emulsion. My skin loved it. Lasted forever. So sad I didn't pick up a second one, but yeah. And last thing in here is actually one of my other holy grails, because I do love it a lot. It is from Dr. Brandt, and it is the Pore Refining Primer, and this is supposed to be mattifying. It is slightly mattifying. It's not the most mattifying primer, but my skin loves it. I love how it makes my pores on my nose and stuff look. It is like one of the only ones that really smooths them out, but it works really good. So I love this. I didn't know you can apply it over makeup. It says apply under or over makeup. I always applied it under. Maybe I should have done it over. But it's just on my nose and my face. I loved it. I still have some of these, so I love having a little bitty one for backup or whatever. So anyway, those are the skincare kits. I think they were really good, like really great products in them for the price. You can't beat that. Even at $30, they probably were sort of worth it, but I wouldn't have paid $30. I wouldn't have paid $50. No way, no how. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.